Alright, here is P2 page 21. This is number 37. So we have 1 over x plus 2 over x minus 5 equals 0. So what I want to do is, I don't like these denominators, so what I'm going to do is multiply by the least common multiple of these two things. Well, what's the least common multiple if I have an x and an x minus 5? The least common multiple is if I multiply them together. Alright, so that's going to be what I multiply every single term by. Alright, so the first one is going to be x times x minus 5 over x plus 2 times x minus 5 over x minus 5. And then we're going to say that equals 0 times x minus 5. Alright, so what happens here is that these x's are going to cancel out. That's good. The x minus 5 and the x minus 5, these cancel out. Alright, so then with the zeros, we're multiplying everything together, so that's going to be 0. Alright, so I'll just put this in big parentheses just in case. So that way we know that we're left with here x minus 5 plus 2x equals 0. So because of how we did this, we're multiplying by x times x minus 5. And you could distribute this and get x squared minus 5x, but that's not nearly as helpful as just leaving it just like it is, because then the x's will cancel out, the x minus 5's will cancel out, and now we're left with x plus 2x is 3x minus 5 equals 0. I'm just combining like terms, and then I can solve and say this is 3x equals 5, so x equals 5/3. Alright, so there is 37. There are other ones that are a lot like this. If you see denominators with variables, we should also go back and check to make sure, does this give us extraneous solutions? 5/3, that's fine because it's not 1 divided by 0, and 5 minus 5, or 5/3 minus 5 is not 0. So I don't have any extraneous solutions, so this is, in fact, a solution. Alright, so if you have other ones, you have variables underneath, multiply by whatever the variables are, so that way you can cancel stuff out. Alright, hopefully that helps. Good luck.